Welcome to English class. At first, I introduce myself. Milon Mukherjee, Assistant Teacher of English, Fulbari Siddhi Naulia Secondary School, Sadar Jashore. Already I take some class, and today I wanted to English class 10 or 9. It is a very helpful to the student and it's related to our annual exam. At first I already introduced, and then I introduce myself again. Milon Mukherjee, Assistant Teacher of English, Fulbari Siddhi Naulia High School. And today lesson Unit 8 and lesson 4. Dear student, what can you see the picture? This picture is talk about different kinds of lake. At first picture is Lake Kaptai. It was situated in Chattogram. Then Kind Lake. After this picture, Rangamati Lake and Faiz Lakes. All the lakes are situated in our country. Then this picture is Orange Lakes, and at first the lake was Victoria Lake, Aspen Lake, Nigeria Lake and Boikal Lake. So today our lesson by topics Boikal Lake. So our student, I discuss this passage Lake Boikal. All the students know that Lake Boikal is the most important and ancient lake in all over the world, and it is the most beautiful lake all over the world. Then this picture show on where was situated in Lake Boikal. Lake Boikal situated in Russia. Now I give a picture video. All the students see this video and some thinking power increase this Lake Boikal about there some information about this video. So this video is the most important. This passage. It is Lake Boikal and it is situated in Siberia. It is most beautiful place in all over the world. Many visitors and different countries people are watching, and sometimes they are visited this place, and this place was most beautiful place and visitors can enjoy the sense of Lake Boikal. So dear student, I think all the students get some advantage about this video, and their thinking power increased about this passage, and related this passage is enough knowledge about this video.
পেজে ক্লিক করেন, হ্যাঁ ওই পেজে ক্লিক করেন। হ্যাঁ এবার দেখেন আসবে না।
Dear student, I think all the students watching this video, and then some information about Lake Baikal. At first, location. Location means where the Lake Baikal situated. It was situated in Siberia, in Russia, and I also told the correct information. It was situated in center part of South Asia, and it was 636 kilometers long and 48 kilometers wide. Average depth 730 meters, and maximum depth is 1620 meters. All these are some information about this passage, and it is most important information. Some MCQ question or some gap in the gap question. So all the students write down the information, and it helps your exam. Then I get some words, some vocabs. At first, brook means a small stream or river. Then after the words is next word crest. Crest means top or summit. It vocabs means and related this picture about these words. So students are very helpful to clear this meaning. After the words basin means round open vessel, liquids or some food. Then the next words miracle. Miracle is related this picture. Miracle means extraordinary or wonder. Sometimes students have these words vocabs. Some MCQ question means miracle means. Sometimes it's parts of speech, and it is very helpful your MCQ question. The next, this page is sense of view. Different angles and different parts of Lake Baikal. This picture, all the picture are different angles, sense the view, and students very helpful. Clear information about this picture. This is the important place, and beside the Lake Baikal, visitors can enjoy these boats and sometimes the storms. It's called storm lake because different times different storms are holding in this lake. Sometimes it's quiet lake, sometimes it's called storm lake. The weather is depends on the visitors visit this place. Sometimes different storms are hit on Lake Baikal. A road beside on the Lake Baikal, and some people are swimming on this Lake Baikal. So the water colors depends on weather. When the weather black, the water colors black, and sometimes the sky is clear when the colors of water is blue. So the weather depends on water. Next, some information about Lake Baikal. Location. Location, highest depth, length, occupies area, average depth. Location means where is situated of Lake Baikal. Lake Baikal is situated in southeastern part of Siberia. Highest depth 1620 meters, and length means wide, length 636 kilometers, and then the Number D, occupies area 31,500 square kilometers. After next, number E, average depth means the average depth of Lake Baikal. Average depth of Lake Baikal 730 meters long. So some home tasks about when our school open, all the students write some paragraph about Lake Baikal and give some information, name, location, date. All the students using these words and write, make a paragraph your home tasks and make a note. When they open our school, I always monitor the home tasks. So, dear students, I think our student gives some measurement and some information about this passage, and it is the most important passage or annual exam. Not only our student but also all the student of our country. It is a very helpful and very important or annual exam. So I think all the students watching this or class, and it is very helpful all the students. So finally I request all the students they stay home and watching this video. Thanks to all.